Hi everyone, I'm Bridgetta, and today I think I have my apron on correctly. Last time it was crooked and I didn't realize it until after we edited the video. But today I'm making burger bowls, and if you've never had one, it's a burger without buns. So you can cook it on the grill, you can cook it in your oven, and you can add any ingredients you want. So we're gonna get started. I've chopped all the ingredients. And now I'm going to cook the onion and the mushrooms. The great thing about this recipe is you can use anything that you like on a burger. That's what's going to go in your burger bowl. If you don't like onions, skip them. If you don't like mushrooms, like me, you might eat them anyway. Here's my mushrooms. And there's our onions. I used about half an onion, and I used a small container of assorted mushrooms. Now that I've got my onions and mushrooms cooked and ready to go, I'm going to assemble everything. I have a pound of ground beef. This ground beef is very lean, so it's important that I don't lose the little bit of moisture that's in there. For seasoning, I'm adding 1 whole package of Lipton Beefy Onion Recipe Secrets mix. Now you can use a half, which is what I did originally, but we felt like it needed more flavor. But you can use any kind of flavoring that you like in your burger. As a matter of fact, in the comments section, tell us what you would use in your burger. So first I'm going to add this package, and then I'm also going to add a lot of Worcestershire sauce because Mark wants a lot of Worcestershire sauce. And he's going to say when. Hopefully soon. I think that's plenty, isn't it?
Another dash.
How's
Very
that?
good.
Kind of reminds me of that commercial with the person grating cheese, where it just keeps piling up and piling up. I'm going to put gloves on to mix it. Unfortunately, these gloves are too big for me.
They're mark sized.
Yes, they are mark size. What I'm going to do is something I saw on Rachel Ray's show, which is I'm going to score it with my hand into 4 equal parts. And divides it, and then divides again, because we want to try and get 4 equal parts. Then I'm going to take each piece, and I'm going to make it into a ball. I'm going to put it here on my cutting board because I'm going to explain the next step. And then I'm going to get rid of my bowl. Put that over here. I'm going to move my cutting board in closer. And the idea is I have 4 aluminum foil bowls. Because this meat is so lean, I don't want to lose moisture. So I'm going to eventually put them individually into each one of those aluminum foil balls. Okay. Or bowls. So now I'm going to press down with the glass. I've already sprayed this glass with Nonstick spray. And I'm going to work it around the glass to create a bowl. I keep forming it. There we go. And that's going to be our vessel where we're going to put our other ingredients in. That one looks good. Okay. And repeat that 3 more times. Perfect. There we go. Okay. Might have to do some fixing once I get it inside. See if this works. Okay. Not too bad. And you can use the aluminum foil to help form it again. Okay. And could I have put the meat in first and then added the glass to shape it? Sure. That might have been the better way to go. Depending how you like your burger cooked, it could be 25 to 35 minutes. And again, depending on your type of meat. This is lean, so it might cook sooner. Okay, I'm taking my gloves off. Okay, now's the time to stuff them. So I'm going to put some in each bowl. Oh, nope, actually I want to start with my cheese, but the order doesn't matter, so I'll just keep going. Try and divide it evenly, or if you want to make different kinds for each bowl, that would work. A little bit more. There we go. Okay. Cheese, any kind of cheese you want. I'm doing shredded mild cheddar. Let's see, I think that's pretty even. Nope, got some, need some over here. A little bit more over there. And last I've got tomatoes and bacon. Now, instead of using like a vine ripened tomato, I decided to go cherry tomatoes. Give that a try. I think they're gonna hold up really well. And I find them easier to cut. Let's go around again a little bit more. All right. Okay, last I'm going to do a little bit of bacon. I've already cooked it and I've chopped it. And I'm going to use it at the end also, so I'm not putting a lot inside. Okay. Let me do a little bit. You think this one needs one? Okay. There we go. Want to make sure to have plenty for garnish. Okay. Now we need to tent it. And we're going to put it in the oven. All right, I'm ready to go to the oven. Okay, I'm going to do 30 minutes. We'll check it then. If not, if we need to cook a little bit longer, we could do that. And now we wait. So I put half a piece of cheese on each burger bowl. And after the cheese melts, we're going to take it back out. Going to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we can cut into it. So the juices you can see are still trapped inside the foil, which is very good. That's exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to put it in the oven just for a few minutes, just long enough to melt the cheese a little bit. And now we wait. Okay, our cheese is melted. So now I'm going to let it sit, because all proteins should sit, you know, a certain amount of time, 5, 10, or 15 minutes, so that they firm up and you don't lose all the juices. I'm really excited about these burger bowls. It turned out much better than I expected.
I'm definitely excited.
I think the aluminum foil bowls really helped. They kept the moisture in, and they didn't like push down, or, you know, all the liquids didn't run out.
Bridgetta even let me have a little beer for this one.
And your beer of choice is?
Worcestershire, a Oktoberfest beer.
Nice. Oh, we also topped with bacon and green onions, but you can top it with anything you want. We've got ketchup and mustard on the side.
A little pepper from the pepper cannon.
You want some salt too?
I think the salt probably would be fine for
Okay.
this one because we've got so much Worcestershire in it.
Okay, that's true.
All right, let's dig in.
Yes, let's do it. Let's get a little,
Oh, nice.
almost lost a green onion there.
Juicy.
So again, the cooking time is going to be up to how you like your burgers cooked. I'm going to just dip it in the ketchup a little bit. Oh, much better.
Oh, that's great.
That's very good.
All the ingredients in the center.
All right, so you notice no bun. So,
Keto friendly.
keto friendly, lower carbs.
Wow.
I like that. Nice, very
All
good.
right, let's say goodbye so we can keep chowing down.
Well, don't forget the recipe is going to be in the description box. And I put too much food in my mouth again.
Please like and subscribe so Bridgetta keeps making these cool recipes for me and for, of course, you guys.
And check out, we've got lots of other recipes on the channel. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
This is good.
I like it.
Show me life,
I gotta get some bacon.
show me love,
A little mustard.
make it change. Time is love. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life,
Delicious.
show me love,
Very happy.
make it change. Time is love.
Burger kiss.
We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, make it change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make it change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got.